YouTube, what's up? I don't know if you can see my paint right now, but I just met this guy. He washed my car with no paint and no water. This is like some of the stuff he used, this white stuff. He says you put it on your car, and then once it gets ashy, you wipe it off. And it's like replacement for soap and water. He says soap is what ruins your paint. So yeah. Let me finna take the top off real quick. Push it in. Be ready. Alright, gonna show you guys how much you can fit in the Corvette for road trip. I got it all packed up now. I don't have anything in the back trunk, only the top. So I'll show you guys that now. So you can see there's nothing in here except the top. Hold on, let me prove you. Okay. Nothing in there. All right, I'll show you the frunk. So in the frunk, I got a full suitcase in here. Got a bag, toiletries, stuff like that. I have a tripod. This is the best lotion ever. It's from Kiehl's. Some like cocoa butter. It's really good. Got some car wash stuff. This is the suitcase, you know what I'm saying? Got a tripod. So yeah, and this all fits in here pretty nice. It's just snugged up, you know. It's kind of stuck, you see? So that's packed in there. And then got a bunch of shoes here, and then a backpack, and that's all. And I'm all packed. I can't put the shoes in the trunk because like I had a pair of these and I put them in the trunk, and this plastic, all the plastic was like melted. So I learned my lessons. Do not put shoes, don't put shoes in the trunk. They're gonna melt. So yeah, that's about it. I guess I'll show you the other side. Walk around. So that's how everything fits in here, pretty nice. You know, if I had a second person, I probably would not be able to fit as much stuff, obviously. But for solo traveling, you got plenty of space. Because like I don't even have anything in the back really. You know, I could put some more stuff in this side. If you really wanted to stuff it more, you can. But hey, that's everything, man. I'll do a walk around of the cars. You see how we're looking. So yeah, I'm about to hit the road. I'll see you guys later.